This is your girl, Crystal Lauren, the Next Level Slayer, and this is my channel where I bring you strategies, opportunities, and ideas to take your business, your money, and your mindset to the next level. Well, if you're looking to go to the next level, this is an episode you don't want to miss. Stay tuned. Hello, and thanks for watching another episode of Next Level Slayer. In this video, I am doing a update on my trading progress on Kraken. And right now, we're on the Kraken exchange, and this is where I place trades from signals I receive from the 100K club, and also signals trades that I place myself. All right. So right now I'm sitting here with a balance of $477.88 in my trading account. The other part, the 67, is what is staking, where I'm earning rewards on. So how I got to the 477, I'm going to show you very shortly on my spreadsheet to show you how much I'm earning each day and how I turned $100 into this amount. All right. So I'm currently in a trade right now in Cardano. So this amount is fluctuating. So let me just take you to my spreadsheet. Okay. Let's go there now. All right. So I'm on my spreadsheet, and I started off with a balance of $128 when I started tracking this. Actually, I started this account with 100. When I started tracking it, I had $128 in it. So now, and I've made some additional deposits, which has brought me up as well. But I just want to show you how much I'm earning each day. Then I'm going to show you what 1% a day can do for you in 3 years. All right. If you continue to do this. All right. In a year, 2 years, and 3 years. I want to show you that. All right. So I've been earning, at least 1% a day. I did have one negative day because I closed out a trade that I wanted to get out of. And then this day here was small. All right, so today this is where I am, and I am at I deposited $208 today from some earnings I made in Watermine. I deposited here, so that really took it up to the 479. So had I not added this, I still would be up like at $270. So I think that's still pretty good considering the amount of time that I have basically doubled my money, guys. All right, in a matter of how many days? In a matter of 13 days. Okay, I've doubled my money. All right, so this is my balance. So as you see here, I've earned 4% so far today, 2% yesterday, 6% the day before that. And I'm adding more money in here because it'll allow me to be able to put more on my trades that can increase my profits as well. Whenever I make money from somewhere else, then I'm adding more money to my trading, to this trading account. All right. So let me just go and show you like what this is like can do for you. Just 1% a day can do for you. All right. Now, starting with a balance of $100 only. Okay. I'm going to start from, well, this right here is 2 years. In 2 years, you can have an account balance of $141,000. That's without any additional investments, and you're not taking any withdrawals. That's 2 years. All right, let me show you 3 years, guys. Let me show you 3 years. You're not going to believe this. In 3 years, you're going to make $5 million by compounding. $5 million. In 3 years, you can turn $100 to $5 million. Okay? That's it, $100. All right, so, but right now, let's just say you started your account with what I have in here. Let's say $477. Okay. Right now, going forward from today, if I only made 1% a day from today on in 1 year, I'm going to show you a year and then I'm going to show you 2 years. Okay. I'm going to try to hurry this up. I don't want this video. Okay, so, well, 2 years. 2 years, I'm making $674,000. All right. 1 year, just to show you 1 year, just in case some of you want to know. 1 year is getting you $17,000. Okay. And then in 3 years, of course, you guys saw what 100 did. Yeah, now you're going to see what $25 million in 3 years by compounding and getting 1% a day. Now, of course, you're going to be pulling out some money out of here. So even if you start pulling out money, then you still can do that. You just, at the end, it just won't be 25 million, but you would have, how much you're pulling out money in between here. But how much are you pulling out? It's still 25, still in the millions. Okay. All right. So that's what I wanted to show you in this video. I just wanted to show you guys my progress that I have made so far by trading in Kraken. If you want to learn how to trade, if you want to learn how to read charts, if you want to receive signals, then you can do two things. You can join the 100K club, and you can join my Patreon community, Slay the Crypto Space. Slay Crypto Space, I show you how to slay the crypto space and try and make money, turn a small amount of money into a large amount of money. All right, so if that's something you're interested in, 100K Club or the Slay the Crypto Space, it will be in my link below, in my Linktree link, if you want to join any of those things. If you, I'm going to have also, and like I said, the link about, I'll have a link to the 100K Club, and I'll also have a link to Watermine so you can see what is helping me contribute to, adding to my balance here. So that is it. That is all, guys. Thanks for watching another episode of Next Level Slayer. If you like this content and you want to know more, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And until next time, I see you on the next level. Bye-bye.
Welcome to the